Easy English phrases. Hi. Hello. Can you help me? Travel English for beginners. Learn simple travel phrases. Embark on a linguistic journey with this presentation template that is geared towards English language learners. It is designed to equip travelers with essential English phrases which are initially paired with a Spanish translation. This interactive learning experience not only bridges the gap between English and Spanish speakers but also embraces global diversity by empowering users to employ Canva's AI Translate tool. Dual language travel phrases. Ideal for both teachers and students, this interactive module not only enriches your language skills but also embraces the power of the AI Translate tool, allowing you to convert these essential phrases into the language of your choice. Dive into this bilingual journey to make your travel smoother and more enjoyable, no matter where your adventures take you. 1. Introduction of travel phrases. 2. Choose your language. 3. Use the AI Translate tool. 4. Learn the new phrases. 5. Practice with a partner. Auto-translate. Right-click on the text box you want to translate. Select Translate Text. Click on Translate from the drop-down options. Choose the desired language you want to translate your text into from the list provided. Click Translate button to confirm your choice. English. Where is the bus station? Spanish.
¿Dónde está la terminal de autobuses?
English. Can you help me, please? Spanish.
¿Puedes ayudarme, por favor?
English. I don't understand. Spanish.
No entiendo.
English. Where is the restroom? Spanish.
¿Dónde está el baño?
English. How much does this cost? Spanish.
¿Cuánto cuesta este?
English. What time is it? Spanish.
¿Qué hora es?
English. Can you show me on the map? Spanish.
¿Me puede mostrar en el mapa?
Thanks for learning. Travel English for beginners.